Suko namin balita, nandito na po ang PLDT Home Fiber sa inyong barangay. Get fast and reliable fiber broadband interconnection with PLDT Home Fiber. Only all 1,399 plus bilis kabit within the day. Get more than just internet. Power up your home with PLDT Home Fiber only all plan for as low as 1,399. Enjoy unlimited fiber with speed up to 100 Mbps, plus unlimited entertainment from Signal that gives your family a wide selection of high-definition channels, and you will also enjoy unlimited landline mobile calls to PLDT, Smart, and TNT, so you can stay connected with your loved ones. Again, Barangay Mac, get more than just internet. PLDT offers you the following in one plan: fiber broadband internet, Signal TV, landline with free calls to Smart, TNT, numbers in one call. Visit our booth in Barangay Mac or ask our agent to learn more. Apply now. And of course, we have Switch plus bilis kabit within the day. Barangay Mac, if you have an existing plan for another broadband provider, PLDT Home has amazing surprise for other broadband subscribers who would like to switch and experience PLDT Home Fiber. Switch to PLDT Home Fiber only all 1,799 and get a free speed boost up to 400 Mbps. Enjoy unlimited entertainment from Signal with access to 70 channels from sports, movies, series, and more. You will also enjoy unlimited mobile calls to PLDT, Smart, and TNT, so you can stay connected with your loved ones. Plus, free installation worth 3,600 pesos. Lastly, you get an additional 500 Lazada gift card just present your statement of account from your current broadband provider. This is also applicable to other broadband plans where we can give you 50% off for 6 months or a 12-month speed boost offer plus 500 Lazada gift card upon installation. And then there's more. We have OMG 1 million giveaway. Barangay Mac PLDT Home is giving away 1 million pesos to lucky 1 new subscriber, 100,000 to 10 new subscribers, and free internet for 1 year to 50 new subscribers for all new subscribers from May 15 to July 31. Subscribers to PLDT Home Fiber for a chance to win big. Drive quickly. Barangay Mac, get more than just internet with PLDT Home with high-speed fiber broadband internet. Signal TV, landline with only call to Smart, TNT, numbers for as low as 1,399. Please visit here our booth here in Barangay Mac and maximize our promo offers. You can also call our agent for more details. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, let us witness an entertaining